Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So far this is the best and the yummiest and the most delicious akara I have ever eaten. Trust me guys, I'm not capping.
Sexy ladies, come not the love we are seeing.
So I have these washed beans in my fridge for about 3 weeks now, and today I decided to make good use of it. So if you're a Nigerian and you've not made akara or our #1 street food before, I bring to you a step-by-step process to make a very fluffy and delicious akara. So stay tuned, okay? So like I said earlier, I already washed and cleaned these beans. So I'll just go in with my peppers, which are tatashe, shombo, and atarodo. Then I will blend. And guys, these peppers are optional. You can do without it. But you see this onion, it is very important. Onion adds special sweetness to your akara, trust me. And also guys, this right here is a special secret ingredient to have a very delicious akara. Trust me, you also don't want to miss this, okay? You can also chop this to your desired size. I'll just do this and set aside. And to blend your akara, you don't need water, please. If you can do without water, you get this perfect consistency. Just see how thick this is. So I'll just go in with my hand mixer. If you don't have hand mixer, you can use a spatula to beat. So I'll do this for 10 minutes straight. This is one secret to get a very fluffy and delicious akara. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So guys, here is a special ingredient to get that very fluffy akara. You can use 2 eggs if your beans is plenty, and another important ingredient is our salt. So I'll just go in with my egg and pepper mix and pepper and onion. Then I'll go in with my salt. Then I'll beat this again for another 5 minutes straight. This is my salt. You have to be very careful with your salt. I did this and I tested for salt again if it was okay after mixing it though. So the result was it was okay, so there was no need for me to add salt again. So you have to be very careful because you can't take it back. So you have to be very careful with your salt, okay? So I'm just doing this lightly because I've done it before and I've gotten the consistency I want. So guys, we are done mixing, and at this point you want to heat up your oil and then scoop in your batter. And guys, once you scoop in and it pops up immediately, just like this, job well done. And guys, you can scoop in big or small, just the one you can do and the one you prefer, okay? So next I'll flip to the other side to get that even cooked akara, and this takes 2 to 3 minutes to be ready. So you have to be careful not to get burnt akara. And I already have akara recipe on my channel. I'll be dropping the link below, so please check it out, okay? And guys, once your akara is looking like this, just like this, just know your akara is ready. Guys, can you see how delicious and yummy and fluffy our akara is looking? Guys, when I say this was super yummy, trust me, I'm not capping. This was so delicious. So finally, this is what we got. So guys, would you be trying this recipe, and what would you be pairing this with? As for me, I paired this with correct Ijebu gari. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.